Ooh, those look good. Check these out, guys. We got some beautiful 67 to 72 Chevy light lenses, billet from Pro Performance. These things are super nice compared to the the stock ones, and they serve their purpose well. But the problem with these is, you know, they stick out quite a bit, but you know, they're made for the chrome trim, but we're not going to use that, so these got to go. We'll be putting these bad boys in, and it comes with the upper ones already installed, the reverse lights, the reverse lenses. We got some new buckets from United Pacific and some new lens gaskets. I think I got those on eBay for like 10 bucks. And we're going to upgrade the bulb to some really nice LEDs. Let's take this one out, we'll show you. If I can get this thing in right. There we go. So I have plenty of room right here. And comes with stainless steel hardware as well. We're going to put that on. Be back in a second. Here they are all installed. Look at that. Nice and flush. That looks so awesome. Kind of back up so you can get a better shot of what it looks like. Yeah. Just needed, the back end just needed a little bit of bling, because the front has the chrome around, you know, the grill surround, so needed something back here. Again, you can get these at Pro Performance, azproperformance.com, and just something a little different, something to frame out the taillight lenses. I think looks amazing. I'll be back in the flash and we'll turn on the lights when it gets a little darker. Okay, here they are with the lights on. Let's go see what it looks like before it goes. Looks good. Yep, I think these look awesome. Again, these are the Pro Performance billet taillight lenses.